painful and you are literally losing interest on it. Unless it's wet, it can never be pleasurable. What causes vaginal dryness during sexual intercourse? Welcome back to the Nursing Moms. I'm Nurse Janet, and in this video here today, I want to talk about vaginal dryness during sexual intercourse, the causes, the symptoms, and the management of vaginal dryness during sexual intercourse. To begin with, what's vaginal dryness? The simple question of vaginal dryness. Actually, vaginal dryness is a situation whereby the vaginal tissues becomes thin and less moisturized. This actually affects sexual intercourse. What causes vaginal dryness? Vaginal dryness causes are categorized into two groups. We have the physical causes and the psychological causes. I'll first tackle the psychological causes because this is where most people lies. First, the hormone that plays a major role by keeping your vagina wet is a hormone known as estrogen hormone. This is the hormone that plays a very major role in ensuring that the vagina has those secretions that keeps it wet, moist, and clean. And again, this hormone is also known as the happy hormone. It's psychological causes of vaginal dryness. The first one is rise in stress levels or even depression. It's either you are depressed or you are highly stressed. And you can be stressed by a lot of things, especially here in Kenya currently. The lifestyle, everything is expensive, you cannot afford, you have school fees, you have landlord, you have a lot of things is undergoing your mind. Remember, stress levels always reduces estrogen levels in the blood. And estrogen, which is also known as the happy hormone, plays a major role in lubricating your vagina. So once you are stressed, the result will be obvious. You will be experiencing vaginal dryness. The second one is lack of foreplay. Psychologically, if you are not prepared to have sexual intercourse, it can be due to maybe coerced sexual intercourse, or you are just not ready, or you didn't have enough foreplay. Then there is no way you can be wet without adequately being prepared. These two will land you to vaginal dryness. So you only need to talk to your partner, let him understand you, and do the necessary before engaging into this sexual intercourse that will leave you with a lot of soreness and pain. Vaginal dryness. The physical causes of vaginal dryness are things that are happening in our body that always lead to reduced hormone estrogen in our blood. And the first one is post-childbirth. Actually, during pregnancy, the hormone estrogen is always high, but again, after childbirth, the levels always reduce. This will lead to vaginal dryness. The second one is breastfeeding mothers. Actually, during breastfeeding, you realize you're having some vaginal dryness for the obvious reason that the hormone estrogen is always kept in low levels during breastfeeding period. Other things that can lower the levels of estrogen in your body is if you are smoking, if you've had the surgical removals of the ovaries, and if you are using any anti-estrogen therapy. All these can lead to lowering the levels of the happy hormone or the estrogen hormone, which plays a major role in lubricating. Another cause of vaginal dryness is irritants. Irritants are actually things that we use on our day-to-day activities without knowing that they are actually causing major harm to our body. If at all you are using some strong scented soaps to wash down there, if you are using sprays, and those who are douching, actually you are interfering with the vaginal pH and the normal bacteria there that keeps it healthy. And once you've interfered with the normal pH, you will cause disruption in the normal balance, causing irritation, the dryness, the itching, everything that you find like almost every time you are treating some vaginal infection, dryness, abnormal discharge, just because of the things that you are not aware that is harming you. The irritants, the soaps, the sprays, the scented sanitary towels, all of these are not really good to be used down there. And lastly, some birth control methods too can lead to vaginal dryness. Actually, most of these birth control methods that we are using are mostly hormonal. Any hormonal changes in your body can lead to vaginal dryness. And lastly, how can we manage vaginal dryness? Actually, vaginal dryness needs to be managed because every woman needs to enjoy sexual intercourse. And remember, I told you, you cannot enjoy when it's not wet. So what are you going to do? There are different things you will do, but it all depends on the cause. Vaginal dryness is managed as per the cause. If at all it's lack of arousal, that your body wasn't well prepared, then sit down your partner and talk to him. He needs to understand that this and this should be done this way for you to get aroused. Another thing is that if it's something to do with breastfeeding or even post-birth, then these are hormones changes in your body. It's not your fault, it's just the hormones. You can get the lubricants. There is water-based lubricant that can be used. They are effective. You shouldn't be ashamed on using them. Actually, they won't make you less of a woman, or they won't make sex less pleasurable. As long as there is lubricants, this is the situations where they should be used. So you can get one. Go ahead and enjoy. Thank you for watching this. If at all you find this video helpful, meaningful, useful in a way, kindly show some love by liking, subscribing, or sharing. Thank you.